Hello guys, welcome to BioSmart Academy. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the Covaxin vaccine. Okay, Covaxin vaccine. It is India's first indigenous COVID-19 vaccine, which was developed by Bharat Biotech. In collaboration with ICMR and NIV, that is National Institute of Virology, Pune. Okay, it was developed by Bharat Biotech in collaboration with ICMR and NIV, Pune. Okay, that is National Institute of Virology, Pune. It is India's first indigenous COVID-19 vaccine. Okay, and in this lecture I will going to discuss about this vaccine. Okay, so before I start this lecture, I just recommend you that please subscribe BioSmart Academy YouTube channel, as this channel provides you free online lectures on this strictly on the based of the CSI NET syllabus, and all this lecture will also be helpful for your BSc as well as MSc candidate, or which are basically from bioscience background. These lectures will be very much beneficial for all of you. So please subscribe BioSmart Academy YouTube channel, and please share as much as possible. Okay, so let's start today's lecture. See, Covaxin is basically basically first vaccine. Basically, it is the first indigenous vaccine which was developed by Bharat Biotech. Okay, which was developed by Bharat Biotech. Clear? It is basically an inactivated vaccine. So a question has been arised that what is inactivated vaccine? Okay, what is inactivated vaccine? So I will explain about the inactivated vaccine in the later slides. Okay, so basically it is an inactivated vaccine which was created from the strain of the SARS-CoV-2 virus, and this strain of the SARS-CoV-2 virus was provided by NIV to biotech to biotech. Okay, to biotech. So basically this inactivated vaccine was provided by NIV to Bharat Biotech. Okay, so it is developed by Bharat Biotech in collaboration with both ICMR and NIV Pune, that is National Institute of Virology, Pune. Clear? Next, SARS-CoV-2 was basically isolated in NIV, as I was already mentioned that it was basically isolated in NIV. NIV means National Institute of Virology, which was located in Pune. So in National Institute of Virology, this SARS-CoV-2 strain was isolated, and then it was transferred to Bharat Biotech. Where it was made, where the Covaxin vaccine have been created. Okay, has been created, and DCGI has approved the vaccine for phase 1 and phase 2 human clinical trial. For phase 1 and phase 2 human clinical trials, and the trials are scheduled to start across India in July. In this month, this trial will going to start. Clear? And before the phase 1 and phase 2 trial, this vaccine was tested in animal, and it suggests that the vaccine is safe. And it also trigger an effective immune response. This vaccine is safe and it also triggers an effective immune response. And this phase of trial is known as preclinical trial. Okay, is known as preclinical trial. Okay, so what is preclinical trials? Basically, preclinical trials are those trials which was basically done on animals. So preclinical trial. Preclinical trials are those trials which were basically done on animals, and after the successful result of the preclinical trials, the government allow you to go for phase 1 and phase 2 trial, which are basically done on human. Clear? And the purpose of the human trial is to test whether the vaccine is safe or not, rather than it is effective. Okay, so in the first slide, I was used a term known as inactivated vaccine. Okay, so what is this inactivated vaccine? Basically, I am not going to go in details in this video, as I made this video for a generalized population so that they can understand this video. Okay, for a generalized people, I will discuss all these details of vaccine in my immunology lectures. Okay, so please subscribe BioSmart Academy. Okay, so vaccine is basically what? Vaccine is basically two type. One is live vaccine. Okay, one is live vaccine, and one is inactivated vaccine. Okay, one is inactivated vaccine. Okay, so this is a inactivated vaccine. Okay, so basically Covaxin is basically what? Covaxin is basically a inactivated vaccine. Okay, so basically it is an inactivated vaccine. It is also known as killed vaccine, because in this case the pathogenic organism was, you can say, modified in such a way, or you can say killed, or you can say inactivated in such a way that they are unable to multiply inside the host. They are unable to multiply inside the host. Okay, so that is known as inactivated vaccine. Okay, that is, it has produced by inactivation of pathogenic organism. So how this inactivation done? This inactivation has been done through heat or through chemical treatment. Here chemical may be used as formaldehyde. Okay, maybe used as formaldehyde. So the inactivation done through heat treatment or through chemical treatment, so that the pathogenic organism are unable to multiply inside the host cell and they do not cause any damage to the host. Okay, so that is known as inactivated vaccine. I think you got a clear idea about inactivated vaccine. If you still have any doubt, then you may comment. Okay, and inactivated vaccine usually don't provide immunity as strong as live vaccine, because this inactivated vaccine, when inserted in our body, it provides antibodies, but it was not so strong, and because of this, it requires several doses. It required several doses. For example, polio virus, it was also an inactivated vaccine. For example, rabies virus, it was also inactivated vaccine. For example, hepatitis A virus, it was also inactivated vaccine. That's why polio virus was basically require many doses, okay, from time to time. So that is all about inactivated vaccine. Okay, and that is all about today's lecture on Covaxin. I hope that you like this lecture. If you like it, then please share and please subscribe Biosmart Academy, as this YouTube channel provides you free online lectures strictly on the basis of CSI NET syllabus, and it also help in your preparation of both BSc as well as MSc. Okay, bioscience students. So please subscribe and share. So till then, thank you.